Hello children, I am your Shudipta ma'am with GK. You are learning page 8 Tree Talk. Today you will do classwork in your copy. Be ready with your copy. In the last class, you did 3 question answers. Today I will give you question number 4 and 5. Write here classwork and today's date. Write page 8 Tree Talk. Question number 4. How are the leaves of a fir tree look like? How are the leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves of a fir tree, F-I-R, fir, T-R-E-E, tree, fir tree look like? Answer: the leaves of a fir tree look like needles. The leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves of a fir tree, F-I-R, fir tree, T-R-E-E, tree, look like needles, N-E-E-D-L-E-S, needles, N-E-E-D-L-E-S, needles. Next question, question number 5. What kind of tree is a mango tree? What kind of tree is a mango tree? Mango tree is an evergreen tree, E-V-E-R-G-R-E-E-N, evergreen, E-V-E-R, ever, G-R-E-E-N, green, evergreen tree with juicy fruits, J-U-I-C-Y, juicy, J-U-I-C-Y, juicy fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Mango tree is an evergreen tree with juicy fruits. So, see from the beginning, question number 4. How are the leaves of a fir tree look like? What is the answer? The leaves of a fir tree look like needles. Question number 5. What kind of tree is a mango tree? Mango tree is an evergreen tree with juicy fruits. Now children, turn the page. You will write 2 word meanings. 2 word meanings. Upside down. Do you know the meaning of upside down? The baobab tree is a strange looking tree. You got the word upside down there in the answer. So what is the meaning of upside down? The position where the top is at the bottom and the bottom is at the top. Upside down. The position, P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N, position, P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N, position, where, W-H-E-R-E, where, the top is at the bottom, B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom, and bottom is at the top. Next one is evergreen tree. What is an evergreen tree? A tree that has green leaves. A tree that has green leaves. G-R-E-E-N, green, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves, throughout the year. T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through, O-U-T, out, throughout the year. Y-E-A-R, year. The whole year you will get green leaves in the evergreen trees. Mango is an evergreen tree. Today you learned. So like that, many trees are evergreen trees. They have leaves throughout the year. So a tree that has green leaves throughout the year is an evergreen tree. So these 2 word meanings and 5 questions you have learned from tree talk. The next class, we will do classwork in the book, a new chapter, new topic we will start. So question number 4, how are the leaves of a fir tree look like? The leaves of a fir tree look like needles. What kind of tree is a mango tree? Mango tree is an evergreen tree with juicy fruits. Word meanings: upside down, the position where the top is at the bottom and the bottom is at the top. And evergreen tree, a tree that has green leaves throughout the year. And children, check the first 3 answers, question number 1, 2 and 3, that already you have done in your classwork copy from Tree Talk. Question number 1, why a baobab tree is also called upside down tree? Baobab tree look like roots sticking up into the air, so it is called upside down tree. Next, how does a banyan tree grow? Question number 2, this is, a banyan tree grows down from the branches to the ground and they grow into new roots and trunks. And question number 3, what type of oil do we get from the leaves of an eucalyptus tree? The leaves of eucalyptus tree produce an oil with a strong smell that is used in medicines. These 3 questions we already finished in the last video, and today question number 4, question number 5 we did with the 2 word meanings. Children, till this today. Bye bye.